Let's just say that we're now in the month of May. As we can see, there are going to be a lot of tabs along the bottom of the spreadsheet. Now, if we want to move to, say, August, we could scroll along the bottom, or we could go to Dashboard and then go directly to August. But let's just say that instead of jumping around the spreadsheet, you want to just hide the tabs for the previous months. So we can do that by clicking on a tab and going Hide. Let's just say we have multiple tabs that we want to hide. We can do Control, and then we can click on all of the tabs that we want to hide. And then we can click Hide. As you can see now, we can only see months from May onwards. One downside to this approach is that if you go back to the dashboard, you're not going to be able to navigate to those hidden tabs because they are no longer available to us. If we want to get them back, we're going to have to right-click on any tab and go unhide. And we'll have to unhide them individually because Excel doesn't allow us to multiply select items to unhide. So we'll have to do this one by one. January, unhide, right-click, unhide, generate charts to unhide. And that's the process we would have to follow. So you can use either method. You can use the dashboard to navigate around, or you can hide and unhide charts and tabs. It basically depends on which way you want to do this. And as you can see here, it is a bit of a process to unhide multiple tabs, but that is how you can do it.